Let's see now. Oh, the wind changed direction. Jesus, really? Alright, so let's fly her to the grove now. Yeah, I definitely like her better at 100. That wind hitting from the side hard. Look at that, look at that. Woohoo! Come on, compensate. There you go. Man, I got wind coming in two different directions. Shifting quick. Yeah, she's doing awesome. Alright, she's a little better. Let's see if I can keep her close. Don't touch that floor. Get off that floor. A lot of up and down going on there with that wind. There you go. Woohoo! Oh, I like that feeling. Look at that. Nice response. She's almost ready to flip. Alright, it is hot as fuck out here. Oh, she's hovering good. Look at that. Look at that. Don't go so far. Come back here. Professional landing. Alright, I have no idea what my timer is because I've reset it so many times that I'm just gonna call it a day right here. So, alright, so 100 at line. No dual rate delay, no expo delay. So, I like it like that. Let's go ahead and get her keyed up. We disconnect. Oh, I'm already disconnected. Battery timer. Take it off. Alright. Awesome. She did good.